Do you want to record a screen on PC in 4K high resolution and then edit it to make professional content? If yes, then this video is exactly for you. Simply watch the video full and follow the steps by downloading application from the links in description and pinned comment to record a screen on Windows or Mac and edit it like a pro. Hey folks, myself from Developer Engineers back with another video, and today I wanna show you all how you can record your Windows 11 computer screen, and for this we will be using Wondershare Democreator, the best screen recorder and video editor for PC. Well folks, with Wondershare Democreator we can not only record computer screen but can also edit it with pro level video editing features like animation tool, animation effects and thousands of video packs that can help us add effects, transitions, stickers, audio and templates. Well folks, the best part, we can record computer screen in 4K 120 FPS. Wow, that's simply insane. Not only this, we can also record classes, record meetings, record games on PC, or can also schedule recording. Well, that's not it. It also offers tools like record with AI avatar, record with virtual camera and convert text to speech. So folks, if you are looking to make tutorials and course video, gaming and storyteller videos or marketing and training videos, Wondershare Democreator is all you need. Just follow 3 simple steps to record, edit, save and share. Wow, that's quite easy peasy. Let's give it a try, and for that simply follow the links in the description and pinned comment to visit Wondershare Democreator official website. Now click on free download. It starts downloading, and once Wondershare Democreator free download completes, click on it to start with the installation process. Follow the steps to complete installation, and once done, here we have Wondershare Democreator with all its features and capabilities. First, from here we can start a new recording. Next is video editor, virtual avatar recording, video presentation, game recorder, and from here we can schedule recording. Here in recent projects, it will show all the video editing projects, and in recording footage shows previous screen recordings. From here we can also open a specific project. In preferences, we can change location to save recorded files and exported files. Now let's know how to set up Wondershare Democreator to record a screen on Windows PC, and for that simply click on new recording. This opens Wondershare Democreator screen recording panel. Now from here in zone capture, we can select what we want to record or select resolution for our screen recording. For wide screen we have full screen and HD. We can also choose portrait modes. We also have custom zone that helps to record a specific part of screen or can also capture a window. Here it also has social media options for YouTube, Instagram or standard ports type recording. Selected full screen to record screen on Windows. Now from here we can enable or disable system audio recording. This helps to record a screen with audio. We can also use mic to record voiceover during recording. Next is webcam. Enable this to record a screen with webcam. Now from here we can choose if we want to export recordings directly after we are done with recording. On default, it will open Democreator Video Editor that helps to edit recordings. Can also select this to hide mouse cursor. First, there are many more settings on Democreator that we can change before recording a screen on Windows 11, and for that click on this settings icon. Now from here we can disable counting that comes with before recording, hide record panel or auto hide recording panel during recording. We can also remove recording panel from video by selecting this option. Can also remove webcam from the screencast video by selecting this. In file we can change file locations to where files are saved. In video we can change frame rate that can be up to 120 FPS. Yes, as I said before, Wondershare Democreator can record a screen in 120 FPS as well. We can also choose encoder quality to high. In webcam, we can select webcam. So if we have connected any external webcam to our laptop, this helps to select the webcam we want to use. We can also change resolution and frame rate for webcam recording. In last, we have shortcuts. We can use these shortcut hotkeys for different features during recording, and once we are done with setting up, click Save Settings. Now finally, let's know how to use Wondershare Democreator to record a screen on Windows PC. And for that, click on Rec. It starts recording. Now whatever we do on our computer screen will get recorded. Suppose you want to show a website or want to make a tutorial. Like here I want to show how to update Windows 11 laptop. Simply follow the steps, and to highlight features, we can use these recording tools at top. Like this rectangle shape, I am using this to highlight this Windows Insider program feature. Use arrows to point out at something on a screen or highlight brush to show a point. We can also use this spotlight feature to show a part of a screen in spotlight. We also have eraser tool to erase something from recording. There is whiteboard to write down notes or doodle. We have text tool and many others, and we can also remove all by clicking on this. We can also undo or redo from here. Can also put a markup, pause recording or restart recording by deleting this. And once we are done with recording, simply click on stop, or can also press F10 to stop recording. After this, it will open Wondershare Democreator Video Editor. Now from here we can edit our recording. So now let's know how to use Wondershare Democreator to edit recordings. To get started with editing screen recording, we can simply split unwanted parts. And for that, simply paste the pointer and then click on this. Now select the unwanted part and then right click on it and choose delete. Now move the rest of recording to start. False like this, we can remove any unwanted part on our screen recording. Now from here in right side, we have few more options like cursor that helps to increase cursor size and set its opacity. In audio, we can increase volume for audio of screen recording. Denoise audio, can also use voice changer. From here in video, we can scale recording or can also rotate it. Can also set opacity and can change speed of screen recording. Now here is an awesome feature that can be very useful for making tutorials. Hotkey tips. We can enable this to show any hotkeys or any keys pressed during the screen recording. We also have many more tools like here this option to add highlight cursor effect on our screen recording. Simply click on this to add highlight cursor effect. Can also crop recording from here, and there are many more options we can use. Now once we are done with editing recording, what about if we want to add music to our recording? Well, first for that we can simply import an audio file by clicking on this plus icon, or can also use music from Democreator audio library. Simply select audio from here. Now here we have so many sound effects along with music that we can use in our recordings. Let's use one from BGM. Simply download it and after that drag and drop it to timeline. Now we can trim it to match our screen recording time. That's not it. We can also add transitions from here. Can add other effects like cursor effects, clip motion, pan and zoom. If that's not enough, well, we can also get many more effects from Democreator SFX store. Well folks, there is so much more we can do with Wondershare Democreator Video Editor. One video can't be enough. Want me to make a detailed tutorial on this? Do share your views in comments. Now after we are done with editing or screen recording, simply click on export. From here we can choose format. By default it is MP4. You can select to whatever you want. Can also give a name to project. Writing Windows 11 update tutorial. Can also back up to cloud if you want to, and for that simply enable this. Here in settings we can choose video resolution. Selected 3840 into 2160 to save recording in 4K quality. Similarly, can also change frame rate or audio settings. False, we can also export recording as vertical video. Can directly upload it to YouTube from here. We also have TikTok and Vimeo options. Let's save recording on PC, and for that selected this PC. Now click on export. It starts exporting. Once done, simply click on open folder. Now here we have our screen recording ready. Let's check this out. Wow, Wow, that was so easy to record a screen on Windows PC using Wondershare Democreator. I will highly recommend you to try out Wondershare Democreator if you are looking to record your computer screen on Windows or Mac, and if you want to, don't forget to get the best deal for Wondershare Democreator. You can get up to 20% discount. And there are many more bundles available you can choose from here. Wow, that's simply amazing deal. So what are you waiting for? Find the links in the description and pin comment to get your hands on Wondershare Democreator with this amazing deal. That's what I had for today. Hope you find this useful. If yes, don't forget to like this video. Also, share reviews and feedback in comments. And if you are new to Democreator Video, don't forget to subscribe for more useful content like this and hit bell icon to get notified when I post new videos. And if you want to watch videos in Hindi, do subscribe to my channel Techie Akhil. Thanks for watching. See you all in the next video. Have you accidentally formatted your hard drive? Now want to recover permanently deleted files? First, are you looking for a bash-free online PDF editor that can compress PDF file size? If yes, then this video is for you.